Hi, my name is Corena Carrington, but most persons are more familiar with my business name, Corena Darnell, where I am a painter and a photographer. So my company, Corena Darnell, we provide a number of services. So the two primary ones are photography and painting. Under photography, I focus primarily on lifestyle photography. So this is covering a number of events such as maternity, newborn, birth, family reunions, and those kind of things. Under the painting, I do a number of abstract paintings, primarily on canvas, but I also do fluid art as well. And I believe in creating functional art. So it's not just on canvas, it is on clothing, on bags, on wine glasses, and even furniture. So the VEAP program was an excellent program to be part of. I was able to meet with like-minded persons from all throughout the Caribbean, and we were able to share our stories, our struggles with our businesses, and you get to understand that it's not only you alone that's going through this. What I really liked about the program as well too is that we got to go through a number of things such as pricing, how to better price our products so that we're making sure that we cover all aspects. So for example, for myself, I need to include things like the cost of my paints, the cost of my paint brushes, the cost of my canvases, or any materials that I'm using into my cost analysis to make sure that I'm covering my costs when I'm referring to a client. In terms of security for your business, in terms of using different platforms such as WordPress, then we had discussions about other platforms as well, and also payment systems that were very interesting. So it was good to know that there are other persons out there, other persons using WordPress to promote their business, other like-minded persons who are actually selling their products online, dealing with drop shipping, and that there are other platforms that can also be used to promote your small businesses to the rest of the world. I want to say a great big thank you to Caribbean Export and Expertise France for providing this VEAP program. It is a fantastic program. It usually would be a huge investment for entrepreneurs such as myself, and we might not be able to handle it right away, but they provided this program to us free of cost, and we were able to speak with certain persons who were knowledgeable in their field, and they were able to go through the different modules with us with the workbook, covering things like our product pricing, covering how to scale up, how to export our goods and services to other persons. And I think it was a really great hands-on opportunity for us to all meet and share our information together. I readily encourage other entrepreneurs to get on board. Listen out for when the next cohort is going to become available, because this is not an opportunity that you want to miss. I also want to encourage you to sign up for the programs such as the FNIF program, which will help you to be able to sell your goods and services online, and Caribbean Export will be readily able to help you do that as well. It's a fantastic program. You will not regret doing it.